This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox effects. First, open Roblox Studio and navigate to the Explorer window. You'll find various objects to insert, including particle emitter and beam. Understanding these fundamental tools is your first step to creating captivating visuals. We'll cover how to add these to your game and begin customizing their basic properties, setting the stage for more advanced designs. This guide will help you bring your creative visions to life with dynamic in-game effects. Let's dive into particle emitters, which are fantastic for creating smoke, fire, or magic. To start, insert a particle emitter into a part. Adjust its rate property, perhaps to 20 particles per second, and set the lifetime between 1 and 3 seconds for a natural fade. Experiment with speed and size to control their movement and appearance. You can also apply a custom texture and change the color to match your desired aesthetic, making your effects truly unique. Next, we'll explore beams and trails, perfect for laser effects or dynamic movement indicators. Beams connect two attachments with a visual line. Ensure both attachments are parented to parts. Adjust the width property, perhaps to 2 studs, and choose a vibrant color. For trails, simply add a trail object to a moving part. Customize its lifetime and min length to create smooth, flowing visual paths, adding a professional touch to your game's animations. Finally, let's look at advanced techniques and optimization. Combine several effects like a particle emitter and a beam to craft intricate visual sequences, such as a magical spell with a glowing projectile. Always consider performance. Aim for a reasonable number of particles, perhaps no more than a few dozen active at once, to maintain smooth gameplay. For dynamic control, use simple scripts to trigger effects based on in-game events, giving your creations interactive flair and depth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.